Hey logistics and farm business owners. Check our Motor Isuzu light truck. Streamlined sturdy exterior. With two wheelbases, 2,800mm and 3,360mm fit flatbed. Cargo box and refrigerated bodies. Thick steel frame curb weight only 2,560 kilograms. Fully Euro VI compliant, no overload fines. Step into the single cab. Breathable fabric seats, all-season AC, power windows and plenty storage. Equipped with original Isuzu G493 Zelk 6 a diesel engine, durable and low fuel consumption. For all haulage work, message us to get wholesale factory quotation.